I don't know. That box is for you. What's in there? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What do you think it is? Don't tear the box.
I don't know. What are those track beans?
What is it?
I don't know.
Open it up.
How do you open it?
Lay it down. This way.
Oh.
What'd you get?
What are these things?
What is it?
The track time.
A track timer?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show it to me? Yeah? What's your favorite part about that thing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It shows you your speed.
Shows you your speed.
Yeah.
Shows you what else?
I don't know.
Shows you your line.
Yeah.
Shows you your interval times.
What's that?
What's that?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to work on that, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah? Is it gonna help you go faster?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Is it?
Gonna use it at your next race?
Yes.
All right, hold it up so everybody can see. Is that what you bought with the money from your winnings last week?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Say we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Try out our new hardware.
Try out our new hardware.
All right, buddy.